It's time to upgrade your kitchen system with this latest blender for shakes and smoothies. A 6-in-1 multifunctional blender that can make vegetable juices, milkshakes, smoothies, soy milk, hot soups, frozen desserts, cereal powder, crushed ice, and much more. An amazing machine that should be in every home. 2200-watt powerful motor and 6 blades. This KitchenAid professional blender is a powerful 2200 watts with up to 32,000 revolutions per minute that can break both soft and hard ingredients in seconds. The upgraded 6 lengthened, sharp blades make the blending range wider and more efficient. This smoothie blender is designed with versatile variable speed control by rotating the knob during operation to achieve your desired textures. Choose pulse mode to crush ice quickly for frozen drinks and cocktails. Perfect for making large batches of creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family and commercial use. Anti-slip rubber feet keep mixers firmly on the countertop, suitable for home or business use. This food blender with 5 timer settings can help achieve the best mixing results. It has a 2-liter large capacity, which is perfect for family meals, entertaining, and commercial use. At the heart of the Casa Cosa 2200-watt blender is a robust 2200-watt motor that delivers unparalleled blending performance. Whether you're looking to create silky, smooth smoothies, creamy soups, or crushed ice for refreshing beverages, this blender's high-powered motor ensures a seamless blending experience. The sheer power of the Casa Cosa 2200-watt makes it a versatile tool for various culinary tasks, promising efficiency and precision in every use. Let's talk about its variable speed control and pulse function. Customization is key in the kitchen, and the Casa Cosa 2200-watt professional blender understands this well. With variable speed control, users can easily adjust the blending speed to achieve the desired texture and consistency for their recipes. The pulse function adds an extra layer of control, allowing for precise bursts of power for tasks like chopping or mixing. Whether you prefer a velvety puree or a chunky salsa, the Casa Cosa 2200-watt empowers you to tailor your culinary creations. Its durable construction, built with durability in mind, the Casa Cosa 2200-watt professional blender features a sturdy construction that can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. The blender's blades are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and durability. The robust build of the blender extends to its jar, which is made from BPA-free materials, providing a safe and reliable container for your ingredients. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority, especially when dealing with powerful kitchen appliances. The Casa Cosa 2200-watt professional blender incorporates advanced safety features to provide peace of mind during operation. Overload protection and a safety interlock system are designed to prevent overheating and ensure the blender operates only when properly assembled, prioritizing user safety without compromising on performance. Easy to clean and maintain. Efficiency extends beyond blending, as the Casa Cosa 2200-watt professional blender is also designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. The detachable components, including the blades and jar, are dishwasher safe, streamlining the cleaning process and saving valuable time in the kitchen. The blender's sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop, complementing the aesthetics of any kitchen. Conclusion. In the world of professional blenders, the Casa Cosa 2200-watt stands out as a powerhouse that seamlessly blends power, precision, and durability. Whether you're a culinary professional or a home cook looking to elevate your kitchen experience, this blender delivers on its promise of versatility and performance. With its powerful motor, variable speed control, durable construction, and advanced safety features, the Casa Cosa 2200-watt professional blender is a worthy investment for those seeking a reliable and high-performing kitchen companion.